Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematical models. We will explore how these models are used to describe reality, especially in fields like science and economics. We will also explore the concept of abstraction and approximation, and how these are used in mathematical models. Let's begin. So, what exactly are mathematical models? At their core, they are mathematical representations designed to capture the essential features of real-world phenomena. They're a way of using math to describe and understand the world around us. A mathematical model includes key elements such as variables, parameters, relationships, equations, assumptions, and constraints. It is helpful in making predictions and providing insights. Abstraction is a crucial part of creating mathematical models. It involves simplifying a complex reality by focusing only on the most essential features and ignoring the details that aren't as important. Let's walk through a typical abstraction process. We start with the real world and identify key patterns. Then we focus on the key features of the problem to represent in a mathematical form. This allows us to build a model. Finally, we use this model to make predictions about the real world. Approximation is another important concept in mathematical modeling. It means trading perfect accuracy for the sake of simplicity and practical solutions. This is especially useful when perfect precision isn't critical. Some common approximation methods include linear approximation, iterative methods, statistical sampling, and equilibrium models. Each of these techniques allows us to find solutions that are good enough, without getting bogged down in complex calculations. Physics relies heavily on mathematical models to describe the laws of nature. A classic example is Newton's second law of motion, represented by the equation F equals ma, where F represents force, m represents mass, and a represents acceleration. This simple equation is a powerful tool for understanding how objects move and interact. Physics applications of mathematical models include planetary motion, wave equations, and quantum models. Biology also benefits greatly from mathematical models. One common example is the exponential growth model, which is represented by the equation P of t equals P sub 0 times e to the power of RT, which helps us to understand the dynamics of the population with respect to time t. This formula is used to describe how populations grow over time. Biological applications of mathematical models include population dynamics, epidemic spread, and ecosystem balance. Economics uses mathematical models to understand and predict economic behavior. One fundamental model is the supply and demand model, represented by the equation QD equals A minus BP, where QD is the quantity demanded and P is the price. Economic applications of mathematical models include market equilibrium, consumer behavior, and production functions. Financial mathematics relies on complex models to price assets and manage risk. One of the most famous is the Black-Scholes model, represented by the equation C equals S sub 0 n of d1 minus k e to the power of minus RT n of d2. It is used for option pricing. Financial applications of mathematical models include risk management, asset pricing, and probability models. It's important to remember that mathematical models are simplifications of reality. While they are powerful tools, they do have limitations. They capture patterns but can miss complex interactions and unpredictable behaviors. Examples of where models break down are chaotic systems, human behavior, extreme events, and feedback loops. In summary, mathematical models are powerful tools that help us understand the world by bridging the gap between complex reality and practical understanding. The abstraction simplifies the complexity and approximation balances accuracy. These models can be applied to all sciences. However, understanding their limitations is very important. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.